Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through the process of contacting support on the VSCO app. Whether you need help with your account, have questions about features, or face any technical issues, this video will show you exactly how to reach out to VSCO's support team quickly and easily. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Next, locate and tap the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu options, select Support. This section contains useful information and ways to get help. Then, click on Contact Us, which will take you to the messaging area where you can send a direct message to VSCO's support team. Here, you can describe your issue or ask any questions you have. Finally, after typing your message, send it and wait for a response from the support team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your VSCO experience smoother.